Nagbabalik po ang programang KML sa DZRH ngayong Sabado, May 23 at sa bahagi ito nating programa, pakikilala na ni Partner Cory ang ating special guest mula sa araw nito. Go ahead, Cory.
Isang malaking karangalan sa amin lahat na pinapaunlakan po natin ang pinaka-respetadong former Secretary of Justice Agnes de Vanadera na ngayon ay Presidente at CEO ng Clark Development Corporation. Please welcome ang batang-batang
Wow!
Agnes de
Always
Vanadera.
feeling young. Good
Always.
afternoon, President, ma'am.
Hello. Good
Ate
afternoon.
Agnes, lalong bumabata po kayo.
Oh, well, ang secret ni Cory, secret ko rin.
Ayun.
Alam namin ang secret ni Cory, ma'am. Alam namin.
Secret
Welcome to the
Tsaka
show.
ano,
Kapatid
ang ganda ng Clark.
Dr. MJ.
You should come.
Oh, yes.
I'll
There you
host
go.
you.
President Agnes, I agree. I
I
sat in the board of the Clark International Airport Corporation for 2 years.
Oh,
It was during our time, in 2017, na bid out yung new terminal.
oh, I see.
Yes, so, you know, if I can
Nice
be in
to
Clark
know.
if I can be in Clark every weekend, I will be in Clark every weekend because I play golf at Mimosa. So-
Okay. I'll
So-
host you.
We will help promote Clark. But welcome
Yes,
to the
Ate
show,
Agnes.
ma'am. Si Cory,
Welcome.
merong maraming tanong. Marami kaming tanong at we're so happy you're with us.
Sure.
Kasi yung Clark Development Corporation, all eyes on Clark ngayon.
Yes.
Yes, that's true. It is called now the gateway to the Luzon Economic Corridor.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
At sabi
And,
nila, ay ang sentro din ng turismo, lifestyle and leisure, at saka sustainability and wellness destination na.
Yes, that's why I look very well.
Totoo
That's
naman.
true.
Yeah,
Ano
and kanina nga, Cory,
Development.
I was, by the way, let me greet you first.
Yeah.
Ricky, Emmer, and of course, Cory has been a friend for so long. And I've been tuned in, no? I've been listening to you. We're talking about Baguio. But, you know, what's happening in Baguio is not happening in Clark.
Allah.
There you go.
Ricky, and I'm happy to report to you, being a former director of SIAC. No, it's probably because around Clark, we actually in Pampanga we have 3 million people.
Wow.
So I think the locals, kasi malapit lang yung Clark sa Angeles, sa Mabalacat.
Fernando,
Oo, sa Lubao. So, I think San Fernando, yeah. I think yung local are supporting Clark. Kaya, kaya ang dami pa rin ng tao. So siguro yung dati pumupunta sa Baguio na
Yan,
mga
yan
taga
na.
Pampanga,
Ayun.
baka ngayon dahil kailangan magtipid sa gasolina, no?
Yes.
Mahalang gasolina. So, konting arangkada lang ng kotse nila, nandun na sila sa Clark. And they can even take the bus. So, baka ganun eh. Kasi kanina nga, nung nakikinig ako sa inyo,
Yes.
it's not exactly happening in Clark because our occupancy rate remains to be, during the week, no? Weekday, 79-80%.
Mataas.
Grabe, ha?
Mataas.
Alam nyo, President Agnes, I tell that to my friends. I stay in the South, Alabang.
Oo.
Ang term na ginagamit ko to Clark, ilang preno lang. Kasi bayan, di
bilis
ba, ma'am? Imagine, mama, Skyway ako from Alabang.
Yes.
Pepreno ako
Wait,
sa
like-
dulo ng Skyway.
Oo.
Pagbaba, pepreno lang ako sa NLEX.
Yeah.
Ang sunod na preno ko, ma'am, sa exit na sa Clark North.
Yeah. Clark. Clark.
So, nakailang preno ako doon, ma'am. Pang-apat.
Ang
Tapos,
ganda.
tuloy na ako sa Mimosa or sa
That's true.
Sun
That's
Valley.
true.
And
Oo.
to let you know, mama, in my last trip abroad, I
Uh-oh.
came back from Europe via Clark.
Via Clark. Wow.
Because I was telling my wife, Cory
Airport.
and Emel,
Yeah.
I want to try this kasi pagka nag-land ako dito sa Terminal 3 noon,
Oo.
mga 2.5 oras, 3 oras bago lumabas yung bagahe and everything. Diba? Dito, ma'am, you know my experience, ma'am, sa Clark International Airport.
Oo.
From the time I arrived to the curbside to wait for my car, it only took me 30 minutes, including immigration and baggage handling.
Yes, yes. I'm really very proud of our national government agencies there.
Mm.
And the management of the international airport.
Correct. Yes.
Talagang, di ba nakaka-proud yun?
Oo
At
naman.
nakikita mo, yung mga lumalabas ng Clark International Airport, nakasmile.
Happy talaga, happy.
Ano, ma'am, arriving with a smile.
Yes!
Maganda yan.
I'm gonna smile.
Hindi kailangan hiramin ko sa'yo lahat ng sinabi mo. 4 na preno, arriving with a smile.
Alam mo, ma'am, ako
Magaling
ang
yan,
number
si
one promoter. Pag sinama mo pa si Cory si Emer, talaga.
Ang galing
Hindi
yan.
lang 70%, 95% naman.
Palagay ko. Ang weekend, napakahirap ha. Mahirap ang booking ng weekend.
Yeah.
Oh, nako.
Kasi
Oo,
we
nice.
stay alone. At saka ang dami naming mga hotels, of course, yung mga tourist destinations, marami na
At
rin.
mga bagong restaurant, ma'am.
Well,
Mga groceries.
yes. You know, by
Oo.
the parade grounds, yung dating mga
Yes.
tirahan
Oo.
ng mga US servicemen, bawal baguhin yung labas. We have to preserve that. That's
Oo.
heritage.
Correct.
That's more than 50 years. But sa loob, pwedeng baguhin. Depending on what you, on the theme of your restaurant. And no two restaurants must be the same.
Yeah.
So, meron kaming Japanese, that is
Tama.
Itaki. Meron kaming porch. Yapis na yapis ang porch. At saka yan, palaging puno. Palaging
Tama.
puno. Oo, soon we will have our Thai and then our French. And then of course, medyo pinarami namin ng konti yung ating Filipino foods and Kapampangan foods.
Oo, yun talaga.
Oo. So meron tayong yung the red crab, dandun pa rin. May bago
Ma'am, yung binulo ba na ano na, bagong rin?
At ang binulo is in a bigger space.
Bigger
Parang
space.
nagkaroon ng
Yes,
parang
yes.
refurbishing, Cory eh. Pero
At
ma'am,
saka
binanggit mo yung
bibuilding na kanya na.
kaibigan namin kasi ma'am si Undersecretary Ochi Tuason.
Oh,
Kaya madalas kami sa Kisaki. Ma'am,
Ayun.
madalas kami sa Kisaki. Si Cory lang ang hindi pa nakakakain doon.
Dali
Pero
namin.
napakasarap.
sasabihin ko, uy, may isa pa si Ochi ha,
Oo.
yung kanyang
bago.
kartero.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Ay, gusto
Pero
ko
ma'am,
din.
binabanggit mo yung Baguio kanina, Cory, di ba? Alam mo ba kung anong isikat na restaurant sa Baguio na nandyan na sa Clark kay Ma'am Agnes ngayon? Paghula ka, Cory. Tinan ko kung gano'ng kagagaling kang umula. Okay. Alam mo kung nandyan, Cory? Marios! Nandyan na sa
Oy!
Clark.
nandiyan na ang
kilala ko
Marios,
yan.
nandiyan ang Contis.
The Benitez, yes.
Yeah, meron din kaming Mediterranean, ang couscous.
Galing, ha?
So, yung buong yon, ang tawag namin enclave. So,
The
we
enclave,
determined certain enclaves and we
Right.
focused our development. So, you will have, if there are 17 restaurants in that area, you have 17 reasons to go back.
Yes.
Wow.
And yes. And yes,
Oo.
ma'am, we have the sustainability initiatives niyo po. Ang gaganda.
Oh.
Health,
Yung
healthier,
green
green
environment ng
environment.
Clark Development.
Oo. Green na
Well,
green.
yung aming solar rooftops, talagang we are very aggressive on that. Kasi that's part of our sustainability program for the environment. So may mga ganyan kami. And syempre, ang hinahanap ng investors, yung madali bang magnegosyo dyan.
Yun.
Oo nga.
Yung ease in
Boss.
doing business, sabi nga.
Balitang-balita namin dyan, ma'am.
Boss.
Ang bilis ng papeles.
Boss.
Well, ang ginawa namin, yung ease in doing business, Sa halip na pupunta ka from one building to another para mag-asikaso ng iyong papeles, magpapa-inspect ka sa fire, sa health, sa yung mga ganon,
Nandun na
isang
lahat.
lugar na lang. Bite the window
One-stop
sila.
shop. Galing.
One-stop shop. Business one-stop shop. So Windows lang yon. And then some are in fact automated already,
Wow.
fully automated already. Kaya nga ginagaranti ko naman sa Clark, walang under the table.
Ang
Kasi
galing.
walang tables. Windows na lang.
Tama. Windows, direkta.
Windows na lang.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Palakpakan po natin si Ate
Ma'am, banggitin ko sa harta yung sinabi mo para gawin nila sa iba. Tanggalin muna yung mga table.
Ginagawa naman ng iba.
Very
Oo.
good. Very good.
At saka sa Clark, dahil nga naging mayor ako, di medyo alam ko yung mga nagiging
Yes,
problema. Pag dun sa fire inspection, may window, may nakalagay na doon. We are not selling or accrediting fire extinguishers.
Anak ko. Ayun,
Nako.
magaling.
Nako,
Controversial yun, di ba?
controversial yan.
Sorry ba may magalit.
Hindi, ma'am. Alam mo, ma'am, that's the
Ayos
good
yan.
thing about you. You say it as it is.
Good
And people
government.
have seen how Clark has grown leaps and bounds. At talaga namang nakita natin, very accessible, pati yung mga entry points sa inyo. Ang disiplina ng mga sasakyan sa loob ng Clark, grabe ha.
dapat.
Cory ha, Emer ha.
Yes.
Nasa ibang mundo ka.
Sumusunod talaga sa mga road laws dyan, ma'am.
Alam mo, parang the environment influences the behavior.
Yes.
Mm.
Kasi bakit
Correct.
pagpasok na ng Clark, wala nang habulan.
Oo nga.
Tama.
O, di ba?
Oo.
Parang you feel safe. Everybody feels safe. So sabi nga namin, baka ano yun? Kasi alam mo, kunyari yung acacia trees namin, we have more than 2,000 century-old acacia trees.
Ganda na.
So,
Wow.
di ba?
Yeah.
Parang,
Ito.
at saka ang luluwangan ng daan, so hindi ka nakikipagsiksikan. Parang okay lang.
Mm.
In fact,
Kaya-
ma'am, alam mo, Cory,
So, tourist
inside
attraction yung mga
Mimosa,
puno nyo.
yung mga,
Oo. At saka kasi yung, siyempre familiar naman kayo dun sa parade grounds, no?
Yes.
We really encourage families to
Family.
come.
Mm-mm.
Wala nang bayad doon Pwede kang magdala ng pagkain.
Magpiknik.
Pwede mong dalhin ang kaldero, ang
Ay.
Tupperware.
Ang banig.
Lahat yun, ang tables and chairs,
Yes.
pwede lahat yan. So, yun nga yung sinasabi kong the environment influences the behavior. Wala naman
Yes.
nag-aaway.
Yun. Totoo.
Mm-mm.
Ang dami nga nagmamahalan.
Oo. Ate Agnes, paano nyo nagagawa yon? Kasi 151,000 ang mga workers.
Workers, yes.
grabe.
And we have 1,230 locators.
Locators.
Oo.
Okay.
So may mga kumpanya kami with 3,000 workers. Ganong karami And I would say there is industrial peace. For example, monthly we meet with the HRs and we talk about things that can help them maintain industrial peace. Ito lang week na ito, ang topic namin is how to handle conflicts.
Yun.
So yung mga ganyan, we have a strong partnership with the Department of Labor. So yung mga ganyan, alam mo, maliliit na programa, wala kami mga sasabihin mong mga malaking-malaking, walang hindi ganun
Saya.
Ngayon, doon naman sa mga workers, kasi kailangan continuous yung supply natin, no?
Yes.
Dahil parami-parami. At saka, siyempre, may malalaking projects sa New Clark City.
Yes.
So, kailangan natin ng mga workers. We're partners with right now, mga 28 schools. So, we accommodate them for their OJT or
Okay.
internship. So, yung mga nag-OJT sa amin, alam mo, ang gagaling.
Oo.
And then we also refer them to other companies and they get employed, of course, after graduation. Kasi nakikita na sino yung mahusay sino yung maganda ang attitude,
Yun.
sino yung
Galing.
competent.
Yeah.
So, yung aming mga interns na yon all over the country.
Galing.
Oh.
So, yun,
Inyong programa ng mga initiatives ng Clark Development Corporation tulad ng eskwela.
Yun.
ngayon, nakikita namin na lumalaki yung Clark, yung negosyo sa Clark, dumadami ang locators, and therefore, yung mga empleyado namin must be upskilled. So,
Upskilled.
meron kaming eskwela, program, kung hindi ka nakatapos ng college, papaaralin ka ng
Wow!
Clark Development Corporation.
Ang
Kung
galing.
gusto mong mag-masteral,
Yun.
paaaralin ka rin ng Clark Development Corporation. And we really provide budget for those. Sino pa ba naman ang aalagaan natin, di ba? Yung mga tao
Yes.
natin.
Tama ako dyan. Tama. Education.
At saka hindi naman tayo makakapagbigay palagi ng increase in salary. Hindi naman pwedeng ganon. So, at least man lang bigyan sila ng opportunity.
Opportunity.
Yes, for them to upskill themselves.
Ano mo, President
talagang
Agnes,
yan
ha? Itong CML, involved
Yeah.
yan sa Lasal Alternative Learning System.
Oh, exactly
Yeah.
what we need.
May we,
I'll bring it in.
bring this to you?
Collaborate.
Yes. Why
We will
not?
talk to the Lasal brothers.
Yeah,
we
why
will
not?
say we can. Kasi ma'am, marami ding may edad na pero hindi naman nakatapos.
Wala.
So,
Tama.
we will bring this to you, ma'am. We commit that to you,
Yes,
kami ni
yes.
Emmer. And we will bring the ALS system of Lasal to Clark. Yan. Nako.
Yeah. Okay.
Emmer,
Mapapadala sa
pwede
Clark.
tayong mag-MOA.
Opo.
Ay,
Oh, muha ka agad, oh.
Oh,
Oo.
aba, siyempre, nahihiya naman ako sa tatlo-tatlo kayo dyan eh.
Oo.
Ah,
At
Diba?
Basta ma'am, pagpunta namin dyan, ikaw nang bahala sa amin kasi talagang mahilig kami.
ang ganda dyan. Ang
Talaga.
ganda dyan.
Sa totoo lang.
I am a text away.
Yes.
Wow.
And
Isa pa matanong nga natin si
Yeah.
Ate Ate.
Sige.
Yung kanilang collaboration ng DOLE para sa
Yung
foreign
kanina.
investment sa turismo at logistics.
Ayan, ma'am.
Kayong tie-up,
Oh,
di ba?
Alam mo, yung tie-up namin ng DOLE, ito yung talagang masusing-masusi. Ha? Every month, meron kaming activity with our HR. Di lang yon. Yung ibang national government agencies katulad ng PhilHealth, SSS, yung mga yan, meron kaming on wheels kasi meron kaming one-stop processing center. Ang
Ayan.
empleyado, kung minsan walang time pumunta ron, di ba?
Oo nga.
Siyempre.
Oo nga.
Meron kaming bus that brings these agencies, including, of course, DOLE, partnership namin ng DOLE yan. Pumupunta kami sa mga kumpanya. So, kailangan lang mag-inquire about Pag-ibig, mag-inquire about SSS, nandun na lang kami. Para hindi na sila maa-absent. So, yan.
Yun.
Ay, at saka meron kaming 20 bigas, ha?
Oh, galing ah.
Oo.
Bente.
May kadiwa kami.
Yes.
Naku ma'am,
Tama.
baka dagsain ka dyan.
Well, you have to be qualified and certified by the
Okay.
company that you are a minimum wage earner or yung lowest ka sa ladder of the organization.
Okay.
At
Okay.
para makabili ka ng 20 bigas.
Galing.
Yan.
Galing.
Oo. So meron kami nun. Meron kami nun. Kaya sabi nila, totoo ba yan? Aba, oo.
Oba,
Hindi yan
oo.
drama, ha? Totoo yan.
Totoo to.
Galing.
Kadiwa rin kami. So,
Galing.
totoo lahat yan.
Sarap
At meron
nila,
kaming bagong ospital na binuksan
Yan.
ng provincial hospital
Tama.
kay Governor Nanay Pineda.
Yes.
Alam mo
Ayan.
ito? Oo, pinuntan nga
Hello
yung
kay nanay.
presidente. Yes, our friend. Of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alam mo ba, zero billing ito.
Uy.
Wow.
Oo, basta
Wow.
PhilHealth ka.
Saan
Bill,
located, ma'am? Saan
Sa loob
located?
loob ng Clark. Dahil
okay.
nga, marami kaming workers. 151,000 eh.
Tama.
Yes.
Ito
Tama,
pinakang
tama.
general hospital para sa aming workers. Ngayon, magbubukas kami sa July ng specialty hospital.
Yun.
Yung children's.
Children.
Alam naman niyo yung specialty hospital sa Quezon City? Ang
Yes.
tawag doon
Yes.
office eh. Nandun
Yes.
yung heart center,
Yes.
nandun yung kidney.
Kidney.
O
Yes.
office, tawag nila doon eh. Yung una, bubuksan na namin ngayong July.
Ooh,
Wow.
Children's
Oy.
Specialty Hospital.
Children's Special.
Imbitahin mo kami. We will cover it for the show, ma'am. We will,
Yes.
we will do
But
it.
even before that, you're invited.
Yeah.
Nako ba?
Punta na tayo sa
Diba?
June.
Alis na kami. Ay,
Ang
Oh,
bilis
just
dyan
a text away, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes, ma'am. We will take advantage of that
Yes.
invitation. Sorry?
Yes, okay.
Okay, mukhang meron na tayong special message from Ate Agnes sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan na nakikinig at nanonood sa inyo ngayon din.
Ma'am, pati sa abroad nanonood. So please invite them kasi
Alam ko, ang laki ng
alam ko,
coverage
ma'am,
nito.
na lahat ng international flights dumadating na dyan sa iyo, ma'am. Kaya
Yes.
imbitahin mo na sila.
Okay, ating kinukumbida lahat ang ating mga kababayan have a taste of Clark. Starting with our international airport. Connected naman kami everywhere. So, pagdating nyo doon, mararamdaman nyo ang difference para kayong nasa bukid kaagad kasi mahangin at saka maaliwalas. And then, from there, nandun naman, at saka meron, kung gusto nyo, diretso na kayo sa mga iba't ibang isla because
Okay.
ang ating turboprop planes, yung mga pumunta sa Siargao, Boracay, nandun na sa Clark lahat. Puntang Batanes. So, gusto ko rin imbitahin ang lahat ng kababayan natin. Tingnan natin ang mga restaurants. Alam naman ninyo, foodies tayo, especially in Pampanga. And our hotels, you know, we
Yeah.
have 4 5-star hotels. So, magpa-reserve na kayo kasi medyo masyadong mataas ang aming occupancy rate ngayon.
Oh,
So, but first and foremost, I'd like to thank DZRH and congratulate. And kaya mo yan program for really holding on and always giving out the good news. So, welcome to Clark, everyone.
wow.
Yeah,
Thank you,
very
ma'am.
good.
We'll be there sooner than you think. Dadating kami
Yes.
dyan. Maraming salamat, President Agnes. You're doing a good job. Keep up the good work.
Congratulations.
And mabuhay kayo dyan sa Clark Development
God bless
Corporation.
you, Ate Agnes.
Bless you.
Bless you, ma'am. So, oras natin alas 5 ng hapon. Ako, talaga
Galing.
kailangan tayo magpunta ng Clark. Pero
Ayun.
as it is, tapos na oras. May mga huling pagbabati. Go ahead, Cory.
Okay, congratulations in advance sa ating Mutya candidate na si Mutya Queen na si Eunice Desa na kaalis lang ngayon ng Pilipinas patungong Egypt para
Okay.
sa top model of the world competition. So,
Wow.
yan,
Good luck.
I'm asking for prayers sa ating mga kababayan na mananalo ang Pilipinas sa top model of the world.
Mananalo.
Okay, Emer.
Yes, happy birthday, Mark Bentiga ng Pampanga and yung mga San Isidro, San Roque. Kapidyo.
Alright, Emer. Meron tayong project sa Clark, ha? ALS.
Oh, yes.
Tanda mo.
Oh.
Initiate. Approve
Pati-
na ni ma'am.
Ay, oo.
Isasabay ko yun sa Click Me. Sasabay ko yan.
Okay, so kaibigan, maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay, panonood, pakikinig. Tandaan nyo, tuwing Sabado, ako po si Chairman Ricky.
Ako po si Cory Quirino.
Ako po si Emer Magno Gingon.
Tandaan nyo, alas 4 hanggang alas 5 na po ang inyong paboritong programa, ang Kaya
Mo Yan!
Bye!
God bless!
God bless.
Kaya mo!